How you doing, y'all? Just getting ready for this year's Leesburg Bike Fest. So just doing some general maintenance, changing the oil, changing the plugs, and we'll be doing some cleanup. And just decided to do a little fun project while I was at it. I just added, let me show you here, a cigarette lighter mount which you can buy off of eBay or anywhere else, and basically just wired it directly to the battery. In this case, could have went to a switched connector. And basically the holder, you can get these from anywhere, Walmart or anything, but the holder is the main thing here. And basically I just want to be able to charge my cell phone. That's the primary reason I wanted it, is charge my cell phone while I'm riding. So I just put a little bullet charger there. There it is, came on. But just for the heck of it, I just thought I'd try a little experiment just for the fun of it. And I'm trying my little computer speakers, as you can see. Little can speakers here. And could have even these, and my little backpack I carry on the back, and then take them out when I get to a destination if I wanted music. But basically it's a computer USB driven speakers. So you just take the USB connector from the speakers, plug that in, and I got my little Walkman. Now I don't plan on mounting these because, you know, riding with the Kirker isn't very practical to listen to any music anyway. But you know, if I wanted to stop somewhere and felt like listening to some music, and let me just turn this on. There we go. Give it some sound from here. Of course I can control the sound from the little Walkman, or not Walkman, really showing my age, little iPod looking thing here. In my case it's a knockoff. So let's try it out. Let's see. There we go.
When you wake up in the morning and the light is at your head, the first thing you do when you get up out of bed is hear that sweet serenity and try to feed the masses. Go get yourself some cheap sunglasses.
Oh, bike's a little dirty right now. And I just ran the wire through the back of the battery. Anyway, at the minimum, I'll be able to use it for charging up my cell phone, which is really what it's for. Hope you enjoyed.